Are you facing issues with dictation not working on your Apple Watch? It usually happens because of poor internet, microphone problems, or a bug in the system. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the dictation issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check that dictation is enabled. First up, open the settings on your Apple Watch. Next, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap General. Scroll down again. Tap Dictation. Make sure to dictation here. Solution 2. Enable Siri. Open up the settings again. Next, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on Siri. Now, tap on Listen For. Here, make sure to select Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 3. Restart Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold onto the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will now appear. Solution 4. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple Watch and repair your Apple Watch. And this is the way to solve the dictation issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.